anatomical features of a cockroach, such as the alimentary canal and the blood vascular, respiratory, excretory, nervous, and reproductive systems. The alimentary canal is present in the body cavity and is divided into foregut, midgut, and hindgut. The entire foregut is lined with cuticle and consists of a mouth which leads into a short tubular pharynx that continues into a narrow tubular esophagus. The esophagus opens into a large sac-like structure called a crop, which stores food. The crop is followed by a small conical gizzard or proventriculus, which grinds the food particles. The transverse section of the gizzard shows an outer thick layer of circular muscles and an inner thick layer of cuticle, which forms 6 chitinous teeth. At the junction of the foregut and midgut is a ring of 6 to 8 tubules called hepatic or gastric ceca, which secrete digestive juice. Similarly, at the junction of the midgut and hindgut is a ring of numerous filamentous yellow-colored Malpighian tubules, which function as excretory organs. The midgut is followed by the hindgut, which is broader and is divided into ileum, colon, and rectum. The rectum opens to the exterior through a small aperture called the anus. The anatomical study also includes the blood vascular system. Cockroaches have an open blood vascular system with poorly developed blood vessels that open into a hemocoel or open body space. The visceral organs situated in this hemocoel are immersed in blood or hemolymph, which consists of colorless plasma and hemocytes. In a longitudinal section of the insect, you will see a long muscular tube lying along the mid-dorsal axis of the body. This muscular tube is the heart, which is differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. These insects also possess sinuses or cavities in their body. The hemolymph from these sinuses enters the heart through ostia and is pumped back into the sinuses anteriorly. The respiratory system also forms a part of the anatomical study of a cockroach. This system consists of a network of trachea that opens to the exterior through 10 pairs of spiracles, which are located on the lateral side of the body. The opening of these spiracles is regulated by sphincters. The tracheas are further divided into thin tracheoles, which supply oxygen to all the parts of the body. Gaseous exchange in these tracheoles takes place through diffusion. The anatomical study also includes the excretory system. In cockroaches, Malpighian tubules situated at the junction of the midgut and hindgut serve as excretory organs. Each tubule is lined with ciliated and glandular cells, which absorb nitrogenous wastes from the body and convert them into uric acid. This uric acid is then excreted through the hindgut. As cockroaches excrete uric acid, they are known as uricotelic animals. Apart from Malpighian tubules, the fat body, nephrocytes, and uricose glands also help in excretion. The nervous system is also a part of the anatomical study. In the cockroach, this system consists of a series of ganglia in each segment, which is attached to a ventral nerve cord and a brain. There are 3 thoracic ganglia and 6 abdominal ganglia. In the head, the supraesophageal ganglion represents the brain, which supplies nerves to the antennae and the compound eyes. Did you know that if you cut off the head of a cockroach, it can survive for almost a week? Well, this is because the head holds a small part of the nervous system, while a large part of the system is present in the thorax and abdomen. Besides a well-developed nervous system, cockroaches also have many sensory organs such as antennae, eyes, maxillary, and labial palps, and anal cerci. The head bears a pair of large compound eyes, and each eye consists of about 2,000 hexagonal ommatidia. These ommatidia form a mosaic vision of an object with low resolution. This vision is also known as nocturnal vision. Finally,